In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Evernote with others in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to share a single note or collaborate on an entire notebook, this is super useful if you work with a team, study with classmates, or just want to send information to someone quickly without copying and pasting everything manually. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with sharing a single note in Evernote. Open Evernote and go to the exact note you want to share. Make sure the note is the one you want, because the sharing settings you choose will apply to that specific note. Once the note is open, look for the blue share button in the top right corner of the note window and click it. This will open the sharing panel where you can choose how you want to send the note. Now, you have a couple of options. If you want to share directly with a person, type their email address into the recipient field. You can also select a contact if Evernote suggests one from your saved accounts. This is the best option if you want to send a private invitation straight to someone's inbox. If you'd rather share the note through another app like email, messaging, or chat, you can create a shareable link instead. That makes it easy to paste the note into a message and send it wherever you want. Next, you need to set the permissions. This part is important because it controls what other people can do with your note. If you want them to simply read the note, choose Can View. This lets them open and read everything, but they won't be able to make edits. If you want them to work with you and update the note, choose Can Edit. That gives them permission to change the content, which is great for collaboration and team projects. After choosing the right access level, finish by clicking Invite if you're sending to an email address, or Copy Link if you're using a shareable link. If you chose Invite, Evernote will send the person a direct invitation. If you chose Copy Link, you can paste that link wherever you need it. And that's how you share a note in Evernote. Now let's go over how to share an entire notebook, because the steps are very similar. First, go to your notebooks list in Evernote and find the notebook you want to share. Right-click on the notebook to bring up the menu, then choose Share. Just like with a note, you'll be asked to enter the recipient's email address. Add the person you want to invite, then choose the permission level you want them to have. Again, if they only need to view the notebook, choose Can View. If they need to contribute and make changes, choose Can Edit. Once everything looks right, click Invite to send the notebook invitation. This is a fast way to collaborate on a shared project, organize research with a partner, or keep a team working from the same set of notes. A quick tip: before you share anything, always double-check your permissions. If the note contains private information, make sure you're only giving access to the right people. And if you're using a shareable link, remember that anyone with the link may be able to access it depending on your settings, so use that option carefully. And that's it. You now know how to share Evernote with others, whether it's a single note or an entire notebook. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to find the share button and how to set the right permissions. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.